In today's video, we will be showing you how to make your own inexpensive DIY storage box out of just using two materials. The first thing you'll need is a cardboard box in any size of your choice. The second thing you'll need is any fabric pattern of your choice. Make sure the fabric is thick and sturdy. Also, if you would like a second pattern for the inside of the box, you can also get that.
So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open our package and we're going to see what the fabric looks like and what we need to open up to maximize the inches, the yards that we have available. So as you see, there's this nice big piece that we don't want to waste. So the first thing, I'll get my little tool.
When you get to the end,
I want to take out the lining. So this is what I have now. As you see, I didn't bother taking this off because it's not that much. I'm going to just iron this down so I have no pieces.
so first you're going to want to spread your fabric along a flat surface like your floor or your table.
Figure out how big is our box, and our box is 25 inches. I want to have 5 inches on each side as extra, so I'm adding 10 inches to my fabric. Okay,
We're cutting 35 inches across.
another trick that I've learned over the years, when I cut fabric, I use the fabric that I already measured, always making sure that my edges are straight as my guide.
Same thing we did for the shorter side, we're going to do for the longer side. You're going to measure all the way around and add the 10 inches for the border. We already measured our sides plus 5 inches, so we are at 11.5. So basically in this next clip, we will be showing you how to make a seam for your box. So on all four corners, we're going to be measuring 11.5 going up and 11.5 going to the side. These will be measured from the edges, the free edges that we've already cut. We will be using a fabric marker to mark these lines. And what this will give us is a perfect square. So now we're folding each of the corners in half so that we have triangles, and we're gonna pin right in the middle of them. And we're gonna sew right down the yellow line. And remember, this is the inside of the fabric.
So we have our sewing machine set on the straight stitch, and we already picked the color for the thread to match our fabric. And now we're ready to go.
You've sewn all four sides, all four corners. Don't cut anything just yet. We're gonna see if the box fits inside here. You put your box inside and everything's good to go. It fits properly. You can cut about 1 inch from the line you already sewed. Remember, we flipped the fabric back inside out. That's what we're cutting. This part is optional. We also found these at Ollie's. It's just a plain fabric, and it would be used for the inside of the box. Again, you don't have to, or you can use the same fabric.
So now we are basically repeating everything that we just did with the other pattern. We are repeating it with this pattern. This is what we're gonna use for the inside of the box. To make sure that the material stays nice and firm, we are going to add some hot glue around the edges of the box. Pull in as needed to make it fit right. So I am putting a little bit of hot glue in the four corners. I'm only doing 2 at a time because the hot glue will cool down real fast and I won't have time to fix the material. So now that I have added all the hot glue around all the edges, I have the inside fabric in, and I'm kind of putting the 2 fabric together, and I'm going to roll them together to create an edge that you're gonna see from the outside in the contrasting color that we used for the inside of the box. My boxes are gonna be placed this way, so my main focus is that this part looks the best. I want everything to look good, but this is what everyone is gonna see.